My name is Tully, and I'm here with, what's your name?
And my name is KuanJi.
And the company?
My company name is KuanJi. English name is KuanJi Technology.
KuanJi Technology. And they have a really cool drone. It has counter-rotating props. One of them is fixed, and the other one is able to tilt just like a helicopter, and that way it has full control. But the part that's really cool is that it's modular. It comes apart. Let's see if I can.
This is a GPS.
So there's the top. You can put a GPS unit, and it's the same connector all the way through the whole stack.
You can put the camera up ground.
Oh, you can put a camera on the top.
It's like a Osmo.
Right. Yeah.
And it can put down.
So you put a camera on the top or the bottom, or you can put a GPS on the top. And you can put different size batteries.
You can put the battery up.
You can even put the battery on the top. Wow.
On the top.
Okay.
It can fly too.
And one of the other advantages is because it uses a much bigger prop than a normal like 4-prop drone. It's much quieter than a regular drone because they move at a slower speed and they're more efficient too. So flight times can be, they can fly
1 hour.
1 hour, right, which is a long time for a drone.
You can see here it fly now. This one is very quiet.
Yeah, no, it's very, very quiet. Well, thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Yeah.